Hey guys, today on Cooking Up Love, I am going to share with you our recipe for making pickle juice brine chicken. This fried chicken is so flavorful with the pickle juice. It makes it moist and tender with great flavor. It's perfectly seasoned, and most of the work happens overnight when the chicken is sitting in the pickle juice. Then it's just a quick turn in the hot oil and you're ready to bite into fried chicken that's tender and juicy on the inside with amazing flavor from the pickle brine. Let me show you how we make it. For the pickle brine, we'll be using about a quart of dill pickle juice, and this should be just about enough to cover these 4 chicken thighs. And for the friends coming to dinner that don't like pickles, I'm also making a salt brine for the remaining chicken thighs. And these are bone-in chicken thighs. Just mix up a 1/4 cup of salt with 1 quart of water and add the chicken. If you don't have containers like this, you can also use gallon-sized Ziploc bags. Seal them up and let them sit overnight in the refrigerator. Now when you're ready to start making the fried chicken, take the chicken out of the fridge about 45 minutes before you plan to start cooking, and this will take the chill off the chicken. Alright, these have been sitting in the fridge for about 20 hours. You're going to need the chicken, flour, cornstarch, garlic powder, cream, vinegar, and canola or vegetable oil. Pour canola oil into a deep, heavy bottom pot and begin heating it over medium heat. You'll want to use a thermometer to monitor the temperature. Today I'm using a candy thermometer to monitor the oil temp, and I've put together a makeshift holder so that this won't fall into the hot oil. Okay, while the oil is heating up, it's time to make the coating. Combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, about a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and a tablespoon of garlic powder. And mix this all together. Start heating up the oven to 250 degrees, and we're going to use the oven to keep the fried chicken warm as we finish cooking it all. For the wet mixture, you can use a cup of buttermilk or combine 1 cup of heavy cream with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and let this sit for a minute or 2. Remove the chicken from the brine and then dip each piece into the cream mixture. And then into the dry mixture, pressing the coating onto the chicken. Then dip it back into the cream mixture and again into the dry mixture, and get the flour into all of the corners. Continue coating all of the chicken pieces. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe so you see all of our recipes. They're easy, delicious, and you'll be able to make them with confidence and share them with everyone you love. Once the oil has reached 350 degrees, gently slide in 2 to 3 pieces of chicken and let this cook for about 6 to 10 minutes. The pickle brine is going to season and moisten the chicken and give it really good flavor on the inside. Once the oil stops bubbling around the sides, after about 6 or 10 minutes, then flip the chicken thighs over and cook for another 6 to 10 minutes. Frying chicken can take some time, especially if you're feeding a crowd, but it's really worth it. And I think my favorite part might just be everyone smiling as they reach for their next piece. If you guys like this video and today's recipe, make sure you hit the like button. When you do that, YouTube shows our videos to more people, and it helps us get closer to that 15,000 subscriber number. So please hit the button, it would really be a big help to me. You'll be able to tell when the chicken is done. It'll be a nice deep golden brown, and you're looking for a temperature right around 140 to 165. Remove it from the oil and place it on a sheet pan with a wire rack and then into the warm oven. And if it needs to cook a little bit longer to get up to 165, it'll be able to do that in the oven. I think you're really gonna love how tender and juicy this chicken is and the crispy crust. If you try it, let me know how you like it. And here's another easy recipe that I think you're gonna like. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.